I must say, although it's meant to be like Spain here today, it's freezing by this water. Morning exercise on roller skates. Bet she's going to have a boss day today on them, isn't she? Flowing around the Albert Dock on rollerblades. Buzzing. So look, we got a few lights here. Obviously they're not on. But I'll be coming back before the 5th of April. So these are on till the 5th of April, people. So if you want to get to Liverpool when you can, sneak in, do whatever you've got to do. But bring your kids down here. All kids love them luminous xenon lights and stuff like that. And that's what the Albert Dock's full of till the 5th of April. Yeah, I've got another rollerblader. Doing the morning duties. Bam. Choosing their life over a knife. It affects girls and boys, you know. Not just girls. Right, I'm trying to get to this military ship. I'm going to try and get as close as I can to it because look at it. What a beast. What a machine that is. What's this? The brave do not die, their deeds live forever and call upon us to evaluate their courage and devotion to duty. What a shout that is, lad. Anyway, I've been with my baby all day. Well, for the past 2 days, really. And I've learned something brand new that no one else has ever done before. Do you know what it's called? Flossing. Dad flossing, though. I'll put the video up later, watch when you see it. Makes you fit and strong. Makes your hips... Look, I was telling me bird, floss with the baby like this, and all that shit round your hips, what you've got off the baby, you'll lose instantly. Wait until you see it, it's great. Looks like the tide's out. Now, when I've been watching him, he's lapping that boat. You see him? He's lapping that boat. That must be security. I'll get as close as I can, but I don't think I'm going to get anywhere with it. If you had Billy Skello now, he'd just fly right through that. There's one more little opening down there. You see the great thing? I'm going to try and go down now. Yeah, look, there's another lap. He must be doing exercise. Defo doing exercise. Hey mate! Yo! He couldn't hear me. Be nice to have a conversation with him. Yeah, look. There's two down there as well. There's two on the landing as well. Can you see them? Can you see them? There. Two of them above my finger. Standing there all militarised. The size of it. The size of that fighting fighting vessel. Is it a fighting vessel? The fucking size of this, people. Need to get on it. Obviously, I'm not going to, am I? But it doesn't mean I'm not going to try, does it? Hey. What a ship this is. The A138. Look at the bird's nest. It's like an hotel. If you don't know what a bird's nest is, it's that. See all this? That's the bird's nest. That's the control centre of that ship. That's where everything goes on. When they're going to launch a bomb, the man who drives that says so. No one else. Now, I wonder what they're doing down there. We've got two security down there. See them? The doors are open. Gates are open. I'm going to get as close as I can to it. Look at that there. Coast Guards. Powerful them. There to stop all the drugs getting smuggled over in bales of hay from Birkenhead to Liverpool. That's why we've got that. How are you, mate? You alright? Are we allowed to walk around here, or am I trespassing? Am I, yeah? What is the ship called then? Tides. Is it an army ship, like? Is it a fighting ship, yeah? Tide Surge, it's called, people. You only get that this close because I'm trespassing, so I'm gonna have to go. Nice one, mate. But look at it. The Tide Search. Pure war machine. Why it's parked up in Liverpool, I'll never know. But it is. And what a privilege it is to have him here. Now, as you can see, this hill's steep. Feeling on my cart already, lad. It's the River Mersey, people. Darren G, choose a life, not a knife, as always. Today, it's going to be one of them days where you've got your tops off. Today, it's going to be one of them days where you enjoy the sun because you've got your shades on. Today, it's when you see all them drug dealers flying around in the 50 grand rides, flossing watches. What you see me do, flossing like a dad. L5 people, bang, peace out.